So, I don't know what happened when I recorded this video, but I basically was saying, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This your girl, Juju on the Weave. If you already know, the sound is on our own SoundCloud, Juju on the Weave TV. I'm going to start posting these videos because I do incredible hair. And y'all need to see what I'm doing, so let's get started. That's the hair colors that I'm using. Different 5 colors for this look, for this particular look, for this lady. You know, most of my clients, they create their own looks. They show me pictures, and I just do the rest. So, I guess after I finish talking all this crap, I'm about to get into the video. And here we go. These are some of the things that I use. This beeswax is pretty good. Shiner Jam, my best friend in the whole wide world. And we have... that's about it, I think, we're going to use today. And the basic combs and, you know, when we parted and stuff like that. So... now I'm chatting. I guess I'm telling you about the look that I'm going to do and how I'm going to do it. There's box braids with different color hairs for this creative look. Now, when you're braiding someone's hair, it's always good to ask the history of the hair. And here we go. We're getting started. So I usually part across. I always part across. Make 3 braids first. So yeah, we're going to part this in a straight line across. I usually do 3 braids in a row when I'm parting, actually, as you can see. It comes out cleaner that way, and everything is just neater. So make sure you part that straight across, nice and neat. As you go into the braiding process, make sure your client's looking down so that you don't hurt your fingers, because sometimes when clients move, your fingers tend to get all squabbled up. So now what I'm basically doing is just making sure the part is nice and clean and straight. I use Shiner Jam for the base just to make it slick, and I will proceed to add the braid. So set your client's head up for success. She's not getting them too small, so that's why the part is like that. As you can see, I'm taking the hair, I'm grabbing it, grasping it, parting it. And here we go. So we part that part. We grab the hair shortly after. I'm always running my mouth to my clients. I don't know what it is. I always talk to them when I'm doing their hair. I guess it makes them feel comfortable and at ease. And just makes the process faster, obviously. So I'm gelling up her part so that I can have a good grip on all 3 parts. Sometimes I didn't even know I did that for this one, but hey, I did it because her hair is really short at the bottom, so I want to make sure it's long enough. So now I'm just going to, get the hair out. Now it's different colors, so I had to really mix this hair a lot for at least 15 minutes, which took a long time. But hey, what do I know? I'm just a hairstylist doing what I gotta do. So yeah, part her little peanut head and let's put the braid in. Hurry up, girl. You're taking too damn long. So let's see how fast I braid this. Braiding is about rhythm. So make sure you have a rhythm when you're trying to braid this hair. Oh, I'm doing a knotless braid on her. Yeah, that's the difference with this. I had to add it in piece by piece. And it came out pretty good, you know. I didn't, make it too complicated, but I made sure it was definitely in there and done properly. So, yeah. As you can see, I'm braiding. Let's get to the good part already. Okay. And here we go. Braiding. Like, and for some reason, his hair was getting tangled. I don't know why, but it was very annoying. But here we go. Speedy fingers. They're starting to work now. You know, I've been braiding for over 20 years, so it's just a rhythm that I just developed over time. Yep, so we're just going to braid all the hair like that. And that's about it.